Hi there, my name is Ben and I'm from the FieldWorker team, and I'm going to show you how to set up your account with FieldWorker. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to fieldworker.ai/signup, and this is the page you're going to use to create your account. So here you'll find a very simple form to fill in, and you'll need to give us a couple of details to help set up your account. Firstly, your first name and your last name, and then the name of your company or your agency. Then we're going to need your email address, and this will be your work email address. So whichever email address you use for work and for business. You'll then need to enter your phone number as well as your business's or your agency's address here. So you have your address, your city, your zip code, and then you can choose the state as well. Once you've entered all of this information, you're going to click on I agree to terms and conditions, which you can read by clicking on terms and conditions here. Once you've agreed to them, you'll then need to click on sign up. Once you've done this, you'll see this little message at the bottom of the form thanking you for signing up and letting you know that you'll have received an email with your account details. So whichever email address you entered here, so your work email address, you then need to go across to your inbox and you'll find you have an onboarding to FieldWorker email. This is your invitation to join the FieldWorker platform, and it contains some very important information. So here you'll see that we've got some credentials here, and this is what you're going to use to log into your FieldWorker account. So you're going to need to click on set up your account, which will take you to this page. You'll see here you'll need to agree to some terms and conditions, which you can access by clicking on terms and conditions. Once you've done this, you'll then need to sign into Microsoft. And the reason we use Microsoft as our sign-in system is because it helps us ensure we're keeping all of the personal information that you will store with FieldWorker completely secure and safe and compliant with HIPAA regulations. So we're going to click on sign in with Microsoft. You'll then be asked for your email address. Now, if we go back to this email, this isn't the email address you used to sign up with. This is your user ID that you received in this invitation email. So you'll need to go and copy this. So I'm just going to do that now. I highlight it and I copy it by pressing Control-C. Then I go back to the sign-in screen and paste that here with Control-V. Next, I'll be asked to enter my password. And again here, you'll need to enter the placeholder password that was sent to you in this invitation. There's a nice hint in this password change now, because you know what's going to happen. You're going to enter that and you're going to be prompted to update your password. So you'll need to enter the change now placeholder password and then set a new password, which I'm going to do now. Confirm it. And then click on sign in. So because this is the first time I'm signing in, I'll need to give some more information to really keep my account secure. So if you click on next and give it just 1 second, you'll need to set up some different ways to access your account and be able to reset your password in the future. And you've got a couple of different options here. You can either set up a phone number where you can receive a code by text message to access your account and change password. You can access it with an email address. So you could use your work email address or another email address, or you could always set up some security questions as well. So you need to choose at least one of these options. You can choose multiple options as well. So I'm going to choose security questions just to show you how this looks. And this might be questions that only you know the answers to. So where was your father born? Where was your first job? What's your favorite food? So you're going to set up these questions. Once you've done this, you'll need to press on save answers and then continue. So what was your father's middle name? I'm just setting up an example here. So this isn't really my father's middle name, so let's put Sam. I'm going to choose in which city, in New York. And not true, I have a British accent. I'm from the UK. In which city did you meet your first spouse or partner? We'll go New York again, being very original. And then finally, what's your favorite food? I'm going to have to say hot dogs. Save my answers. Can't have identical answers, so let's go Seattle. Save my answers, and you'll need to make sure you remember these. And you can see here I've got the tick and I can finish. Once you've finished, your account is then set up.